This video is dealing with the same graph as the previous video that I uploaded, but I'm going to do some shifting to it. And I want you to pay attention to what it looks like once you make a shift to it and how the parts start to change in the finished product.
What's today's mathematics?
We had it, we let them hold it, we should have sold it.
We back at it.
So in this video, I'm going to show you something a little bit different from the first one. So you see all the parts are still the same. All the moving parts are still the same. Still have my line segment that sits right here. You see it still moves. This is something I want us to pay attention to. Watch what's about to happen next. So right now I'm still connected to the red axis, also known as the x-axis. Now what if I grab this, right? But I shift it. So if I shift it off of the x-axis, what would that look like? What would it look like when I rotate it? So let me move it up. See how I'm moving it? So there it is. So I shifted it up a couple of units, and now I'm gonna spin it and see what happens next. Notice that the circle that we had before now has a hole in it. I mean, it really looks like a disc now. Now, if I rotate the surface, look at what it creates now. It's slightly different from the one that we just finished looking at. So it's a kind of hollow right there in the middle. You can walk all the way through it. See how I go through it? Once again, the disc still can move back and forth and fill up the inside portion of it. Move it back and forth. So things like this are hard to kind of picture in your mind when you draw things on paper, and then we ask you what would it look like. It's tools like this that makes this like really come to life. You can see a clear disc. Look at it. Even as it moves, you can see how it changes sizes and why it changes size. All right. All right. So I'm gonna close the back part of it off. Let's see, there it is. So now it's closed off. Yep, so here's my object in 3D space. All right, let's bring it back. Bring everything back. Move my segment. Look at that. Pull it back down to the x-axis. And notice this circle, the base of it, it adjusts in size also. And that's it. 3D.
Like Spanx and Hearns.